Hi intro students, I just wanted to provide you with a brief update on a few things as we approach the midway point in the summer 2013 semester. Please remember that the first weekend in August is a hard deadline for every assignment in Intro to Mass Communication JMC 1011. Why is that? Because the first work day in August, I think it's August the 5th, the college requires me to get all of the grades in. So that's the hard deadline I have to face, so that's why your deadlines for all your work are that weekend. So if you're working to the syllabus, that's terrific. If you're behind, take this as an opportunity to get caught up right away. I want to remind you about three things. First, media quizzes and media posts. They account for 70 points of the 950 points you need for your grade to this class. And you're going to see something about media just about every week for the balance of the semester. I'm teaching 2 intro sections this semester, and to save a little wear and tear on myself, those 2 sections are going to get the media quiz and or the media postings at the exact same time from here on out. You always have a 2-day window to complete this quiz, and you'll get a notification about it from me a day or 2 beforehand. These quizzes cannot be made up, so when they pop up, take them. If you miss the quiz, you miss the quiz. Second, homework deadlines are approaching. This class has a deadline of July 3rd to complete chapters 1 through 8, the chapter reading quizzes that are set up for our textbook. Don't delay in completing those chapter quizzes. The Blackboard system is set up to shut these quizzes off 1 week, 7 days after your deadline. Because as it says in the syllabus, you can do partial credit after the deadline. After a week, you don't get any credit for them at all. So, if you're looking for more than a week afterwards, don't be surprised if you can't find them. It's very important you meet the deadlines for the chapter quizzes. Third, your book review is due soon. Here are 3 of the 4 books that are eligible. This one's called Blur by Bill Kovach and Tom Rosenstiel. This one, which by the way is a graphic novel type thing, I like to show people, it has lots of cartoons and things like that. It's called The Influencing Machine. The author is Brooke Gladstone. Josh Neufeld is the illustrator. The third of the 4th is Losing the News, The Future of the News That Feeds Democracy, written by Alex Jones. And the 4th one is by Don Hewitt. It's the one about 60 Minutes. He talks about Tell Me a Story, my 50 years and 60 minutes in TV. It's an old book that's been out for a while, easy to find anywhere. These 3 I'm putting on reserve at the West Library at Tri-C. So if you can't find them elsewhere, you have to go to the library to read them. But you can get through each of these books in a few hours, and that should really help you for your book review. By the way, if you got a score of 40 points or below on your first paper, the movie review, I strongly encourage you to pay a visit to the Tri-C Writing Center. You can do it physically. There's also a way to do it virtually online. But either way, consult and work with them. That will improve your score on the book review, and in more ways than one, because I get notification that you visited the Writing Center, and I will add a few points to your score. So that's it. Please do be aware of my office hours. They're listed in the syllabus for Monday and Tuesday. Please look at Tools, the Tools radio button on the left side, and then Messages for regular communication. I review those at least twice each day, once in the morning and once at night. But I don't return phone calls to my office 7 days a week. I just do that the days that I'm in the office. So Tools and then Messages are the preferred way of communicating with me, as I've explained in the syllabus. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your book reviews and chapter reading quizzes and all of your other studies this semester.